Hi, everyone, welcome back to our Channel Careerya. Learning Salesforce. In this video we are going to learn about Salesforce navigation. Salesforce navigation. Salesforce offers a user-friendly and intuitive navigation system that allows users to access various features, data, and settings. Here's an overview of Salesforce navigation. Before we move forward, subscribe to our channel. App Launcher. Salesforce's navigation typically begins with the App Launcher, represented by a grid icon, 9 squares, located in the upper left corner. Clicking on it reveals a list of available apps and tools. App Menu. Within the App Launcher, you can access different Salesforce apps, such as Sales, Service, Marketing, and more. Each app is designed for specific business functions. Objects and tabs. Salesforce organizes data into objects that represent different types of records, like leads, contacts, accounts, and opportunities. Each object is associated with a tab, which you can access by clicking on the object's name in the navigation bar. Tabbed interface. The main navigation bar, typically located at the top of the page, features tabs for different objects and tools. Clicking on a tab opens that specific area where you can view, edit, or create records. Global search. Salesforce provides a global search bar at the top of the page, allowing you to search for records, contacts, and other data throughout the platform. The search is highly customizable and can help you quickly locate information. Before we move forward, subscribe to our channel. Recent items. Salesforce often includes a Recent Items menu where you can access the records you've recently viewed or worked on. This feature speeds up navigation to frequently access data. Setup menu. To access the administrative and customization settings, you can click on the gear icon, typically located in the upper right corner, to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you can select Setup to access Salesforce's extensive setup and configuration options. Notifications and alerts. Salesforce may provide notification alerts for tasks, events, reminders, or system messages. These are often located in the upper right corner of the page. User menu. Next to the notification area, you'll often find a user menu with options to access your profile, settings, and log out of your Salesforce account. Breadcrumbs. Salesforce uses breadcrumbs at the top of each page to help you navigate through records and objects. You can click on a higher-level link to quickly return to a previous page. Record actions. On record pages, you'll find buttons or links for various actions such as editing, deleting, or creating related records. These options are specific to the record you're viewing. Tabs and sub-tabs. When you open a record, you'll often see tabs and sub-tabs within that record's page. These allow you to view related information and sections without leaving the main record. Salesforce's navigation is designed to provide users with easy access to their data and tools, and it's highly customizable, allowing organizations to tailor the interface to their specific needs. The exact layout and features may vary depending on your Salesforce edition and customization, but these core navigation elements remain consistent across the platform. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.